Welcome to the NASCAR Domino's Cup Series. We're at Richmond Motor Speedway since 1 week or 2 weeks ago. Here's your starting lineup. First row we got Kurt Busch and Kyle Larson. Row 2, Jimmy Johnson and Chase Elliott. Row 3, Alex Bowman and Ryan Blaney. Row 4, Ricky Stenhouse Jr. and Michael McDowell. Row 5, I believe, is Brad Keselowski and Eric Almirola. And final row is Kevin Harvick. Here we go. 5-lap race. Green flag in the air. And a caution comes out for rain. First caution of the day. We will finish the race here soon if the rain stops. There is a severe thunderstorm warning at this racetrack. A severe thunderstorm warning. So we might continue the race tomorrow. So hope you enjoy this video. Like, comment, subscribe. Read description please. And thank you.